Hi, this is Daniel from Boss Audio Systems, here to show you our new MC425BA motorcycle speaker system. The new MC425BA comes with a pair of 3-inch full-range speakers with a built-in 600-watt amplifier for a quick, easy install, making your riding experience look good and sound great. It's really simple to install. All you need is a 3/4 open wrench and some wire crimpers. Before we start, here are some things you want to keep in mind. Be sure not to install any of the components or wires around any moving parts. Keep away from ignition parts, fuel lines, and any hot exhaust. The speakers should not be installed where they might inhibit safety features of the vehicle, such as lights, horn, or brake levers. Make sure to disconnect the negative terminal on the vehicle's battery to prevent any shorts from occurring. Now let's start with mounting the speakers. Find a safe, ideal mounting location to fit the bracket over the chosen mounting bars. Fasten the mounting screw after you review the safety of the mounting location. Now that the speakers are secure, let's wire it up. On pages 4 and 5 of the user's manual, you will see a wiring diagram showing a single pull double throw relay. After you wired up the speakers, you are now ready to apply power to your new system. Finally, use your player device and wire remote volume control to control the volume. To pair and connect your Bluetooth device to the MC425BA, enter Settings, Bluetooth Mode, Search, Boss MC425BA. So rev up your playlist and hit the road or the trails with your new MC425BA Chrome Weatherproof motorcycle system.